Kobe Bean Bryant, August 23, 1978 to January 26, 2020, was an American professional basketball player. A shooting guard, he spent his entire 20-year career with the Los Angeles Lakers in the National Basketball Association NBA. Widely regarded as one of the greatest and most influential basketball players of all time. Bryant won 5 NBA championships and was an 18-time All-Star, 4-time All-Star MVP, 15-time member of the All-NBA team, 12-time member of the All-Defensive team, the 2008 NBA Most Valuable Player MVP, 2-time NBA Finals MVP, and 2-time scoring champion. He ranks 4th in league all-time regular season and postseason scoring. Bryant was posthumously named to the NBA's 75th anniversary team in 2021 and was inducted to the Naismith Memorial Basketball Hall of Fame twice. First in 2020 as an NBA player, and again in 2025 as a member of the 2008 U.S. Olympic team. The son of NBA player Joe Bryant, Bryant was born in Philadelphia and partly raised in Italy. Recognized as the top American high school basketball player while at Lower Merion High School in the Philadelphia suburb of Ardmore, Bryant declared for the 1996 NBA Draft and was selected by the Charlotte Hornets with the 13th pick. He was then traded to the Lakers. As a rookie, Bryant earned a reputation as a high flyer by winning the 1997 slam dunk contest and was named an All-Star by his second season. Despite his contentious relationship with teammate Shaquille O'Neal, the pair led the Lakers to 3 consecutive NBA championships from 2000 to 2002. After the Lakers lost the 2004 NBA Finals, O'Neal was traded and Bryant became the franchise's cornerstone. He led the NBA in scoring in the 2005-06 and 2006-07 seasons. On January 22, 2006, Bryant scored a career-high 81 points, the second most scored in a single NBA game behind Wilt Chamberlain's 100-point game. Bryant led the team to championships in 2009 and 2010 and was named NBA Finals MVP both times. Bryant retired after the 2015-16 season, capping off his illustrious career with a 60-point performance in his final NBA game, leading the Lakers to a comeback victory over the Utah Jazz. In 2017, the Lakers retired both his number, 8 and 24, making Bryant the only player in NBA history to have multiple numbers retired by the same franchise. The all-time leading scorer in Lakers history, Bryant was the first guard in NBA history to play 20 seasons. His 18 All-Star designations are the 3rd most ever, and his for NBA All-Star Game MVP awards are tied with Bob Pettit for the most in history. He won gold medals on the 2008 and 2012 U.S. Olympic teams. In 2018, Bryant won the Academy Award for Best Animated Short Film for Dear Basketball 2017. In January 2020, Bryant and his 13-year-old daughter Gianna were among 9 people who died in a helicopter crash in Calabasas, California. 5 a number of tributes and memorials followed, and the All-Star Game MVP award was renamed in Bryant's honor. Bryant was the youngest of 3 children. He grew up with 2 older sisters, Sharia and Shaya, and had close relationships with them his entire life. In November 1999, 21-year-old Bryant met 17-year-old Vanessa Lane while she was working as a background dancer under the East Siders music video G'd Up. They got married on April 18, 2001 at St. Edward the Confessor Catholic Church in Dana Point, California. Their first daughter, Natalia, was born in January 2003. Their second daughter, Gianna Maria Honora, was born in May 2006. On December 16, 2011, Vanessa Bryant filed for divorce, citing irreconcilable differences, and on January 11, 2013, Bryant and his wife announced via social media that they had called off their divorce. In December 2016, Vanessa gave birth to their third daughter, and in January 2019, the Bryants announced they were expecting a fourth daughter, who was born in June 2019. Inspired by the codename for Uma Thurman's character in the Kill Bill films, Bryant assigned himself the nickname of Black Mamba, citing a desire for his basketball skills to mimic the eponymous snake's ability to strike with 99% accuracy at maximum speed in rapid succession. At 9:06 a.m. Pacific Standard Time on January 26, 2020, a Sikorsky S-76 helicopter departed from John Wayne Airport in Orange County, California, with 9 people aboard: Bryant, his 13-year-old daughter Gianna, 6 family friends including John Altobelli, and the pilot. A Rezobayante group was traveling to Camarillo Airport in Ventura County for a basketball game at Mamba Sports Academy in Thousand Oaks. At 9:45 a.m., the helicopter crashed into the side of a mountain in Calabasas, about 30 miles 48 kilometers northwest of downtown Los Angeles, and began burning. Bryant, his daughter, and the other 7 occupants were all killed on impact. Initial reports indicated that the helicopter crashed in the hills above Calabasas in heavy fog. Witnesses reported hearing a helicopter struggling before crashing. On January 28th, Bryant's identity was officially confirmed using fingerprints. The following day, the Los Angeles County Department of Medical Examiner coroner stated that the official cause of death for him and the 8 others on the helicopter was blunt force trauma. The Federal Aviation Administration, National Transportation Safety Board, and the FBI launched investigations into the crash. The cause of the crash was hard to investigate, as the helicopter was not equipped with a black box. Over a year after the crash, the NTSB declared that pilot Zabayan probably became disoriented after flying into thick clouds, ignored his training, and violated federal regulations during the 40-minute flight. On February 7th, Bryant and his daughter were buried in a private funeral in Pacific View Memorial Park in the Corona Del Mar neighborhood of Newport Beach, California. A public memorial service was held on February 24th to 24th, marking both Kobe's and Gianna's jersey numbers at Staples Center, with Jimmy Kimmel hosting. Speakers at the service included Vanessa, Jordan, and O'Neal, along with Phoenix Mercury guard Diana Taurasi and Gino Orima, Taurasi's coach at Connecticut, where Gianna had been aspiring to play. Bryant was called one of the greatest players in the history of our game by NBA Commissioner Adam Silver, and the New York Times wrote that Bryant had one of the most decorated careers in the history of the sport. In 2022, to commemorate the NBA's 75th anniversary, The Athletic ranked the top 75 players of all time, and they named Bryant as the 10th greatest player in NBA history and the 2nd highest shooting guard on the list, behind only Jordan. Bryant was named a finalist for the Naismith Memorial Basketball Hall of Fame weeks after his death. He was the Lakers' all-time leading scorer, and his 5 titles are tied for the most in franchise history. Both numbers Bryant wore during his career, 8 and 24, were retired by the Lakers on December 18, 2017. Bryant was an 18-time All-Star, which ranks second behind only Kareem Abdul-Jabbar's and LeBron James. Bryant was named the All-Star MVP 4 times, a record he shares with Bob Pettit. Bryant was selected to the All-NBA team on 15 occasions, tied for the most with Abdul-Jabbar and Tim Duncan. Bryant was also a 12-time All-Defensive Team selection, trailing only Duncan's 15, and Bryant was named to the All-Defensive First Team 9 times, tied with Jordan, Garnett, and Gary Payton for the most all-time. He was the first guard to play 20 seasons in the NBA. Bryant also won the NBA Slam Dunk Contest in 1997 and was its youngest winner. In his career, Bryant scored 40-plus points in 121 games, and he recorded a triple-double 21 times. On Kobe Bryant Day, August 24th, in 2023, the Lakers stated that Bryant's statue outside of Crypto.com Arena would be unveiled on February 8, 2024, to honor his 2 numbers with the Lakers, 8 and 24, and 2 for the number of his daughter, Gianna. The inspiration for the statue, based on an image of Bryant after his 81-point game, pointing a finger toward the sky, was requested by Bryant himself before his death. On August 2, 2024, the Lakers also unveiled a statue of Kobe and Gianna Bryant outside of Crypto.com Arena. In February 2025, Donald Trump announced that Bryant would get a statue in the proposed National Garden of American Heroes.
Welcome to the exciting world of 1,000 vlogs.